You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce, how to say, how to translate 50-10 how in French. I believe this is a bit of a meme. So let's break it down. How do you say 50-10 how? 50, which is French for 50, 10, which is French for 10, coq, which is French for a how. 50-10 coq, 50-10 how in French. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.